Okay, so I can just go right here and start a meeting just in my regular meeting room. And then right down here in the corner, you have the option for breakout rooms. So I'm just going to click breakout rooms. Now, obviously, I'm the only person in this room right now, so it doesn't offer me a bunch of different options. But normally, it would tell you how many participants you have. So if you have 10 kids in the meeting, it'll ask you, or it'll have you assign how many kids you want per room. So I could say I want 8 rooms, and then it'll tell you right here how many participants per room that would be. So if you had 16 kids in 8 rooms, obviously that would be 2 kids per room. And then you can choose to automatically have it assigned. So if you wanted them in like specific partners, you would want to manually assign it. But if you don't care who goes into what room, you can just have it automatically assign that. And then you can hit create rooms. So it's going to automatically create these breakout rooms for you. Then you'll be good to go. Everybody's been assigned to a breakout room. You can rename them if you want to. You can delete them if you want to. You can add a room. So for example, if you had a kid come in late, you can add a room and then assign that room to a specific kid. And then right now it's not going to let me open them because there's nobody in them. But normally you would just click right here where it says open all rooms, and it's going to open them. And what that's going to do is it's going to automatically make a box pop up on every student's screen that says like something like you've been invited to join breakout room 1. And so you can just instruct them to click join, and it will automatically take them into that breakout room. They can't see each other unless they're in the same breakout room, but you also can't see them. But if you want to go in and be able to see them, you can go in and click on it, and once you have clicked open all rooms and all of that, these little buttons will say join. So you can go in and join any of those breakout rooms that you want to, or you can stay in the main room. Either way, you'll be able to, hop in and check on them if you want to see what they're doing. And then when you're ready for those breakout rooms to be finished and you want to bring them all back into the main room, then you can just click, there'll be an option that says, close breakout rooms, and it'll give them a 60-second notice that they can click exit breakout room and come back to the main room.